Wanted to do a video on replacing the bracket on an E36 BMW 20-pin connector. This is the diagnostic connector by the passenger side shock tower. On most E36s, I have a 98 M3 four-door, and I'm sharing this because the first bracket I ordered based on the part number match for me online at one site was the wrong bracket. It was cheap, it was like $3, but it did not fit. This is the bracket style that I have. This is the new part. So if your shock tower bracket looks like this is what you're going to need. And this is the part number while I'm thinking of it: 1252 1714344. I'll put a link to it in the description. It's not easy. I mean, it's not hard to take off, but it wasn't intuitive at first. And with old cars and plastic, I try to take my time with stuff like this rather than just trying to use force, because then things start to break and then you end up with more broken parts. But you know, first take off the cap. It's just like this is putting it on, like a half turn, that comes off. And this knurled nut right here is counterclockwise. It should come off pretty easy. If not, maybe use a little WD-40 or something, let it soak in there. Should come off really easy. And then the bracket just slides off. This is the new bracket. So the old bracket had a broken piece right here, and it wouldn't stay in the mount on the shock tower, and it didn't seem fixable. But so the new bracket goes on. There's a little notch there that's gonna go where this notch is here. So just drop it on and turn it till it kind of falls into place, and you'll feel it fall into place. Put the nut back on. Should spin pretty easy. Just lock that back in place again. And then just cinch it down tight. And then there's this washer here that goes on here. And that should kind of almost bottom out there, and then your cap should turn on. So there you go. And then just click it into place, and it should be there. Just push that little tab. You need to take it back out, but it should drop right into place. There you have it.